Charles, please.
Sir, the Honorable Minister has given an extensive reply. But, sir, what is the meaning of AD? I didn't. The full
NTW.
form of AD.
Raised by Rupert Moman. But Preston to some Deputy Chief Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 87. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Mr. Rupert Moman, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So whatever the answer, I accept it with my smiling face because I understand that one day it will be going to happen.
Yes.
And he has a very good heart. For the knowledge of the House, I just want to explain in a minute about the place, sir. Sir, Mutikatam is a very interior place. It's approximate 30 kilometers from Adokre, and from Mangsang also same distance. It has a weekly market and lots of people are gathering. And in the past, there was lots of encounter took place because anti-social elements hide in that very place. In the weekly market, people from West Khasi Hills, East Garo Hills, North Garo Hills were gathering, and lots of transactions are taking place. So, in order to prevent any such incident, it's necessary to set up AD camp. Thank you, sir.
Point noted, sir.
Mr. Rupa Marap.
Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Minister in charge home, what is the criteria required for setting up of AD camps?
Sir, in fact, as far as ADCAM is concerned, there is no SOP at all or no standard guidelines at all. I will just explain briefly. In fact, ADCAM was created. In fact, there was no such sanctioned ADCAM. So, depending upon the situation and the need arises, especially those years, because the ADCAM creation happens way back in 1991, way back again in 2012, way back again in the year 2003, when the situation, especially in Garo Hills, was so volatile. So at that point of time, the Home Police thought that we need to create some kind of a temporary camp where we can control all these illegal activities, including the militancy. So ultimately, we created three such camps, and recently I had a review meeting about all this, because we don't have a sanction post, as I just replied. This AD camp was arranged in a way where the deployment takes place. Maybe 10 people, 12 people, we taken out from the respective police station. So, sir, I would like to say here that ADCAM ultimately became irrelevant right now, because, as I said to you, we had a detailed, exhaustive meeting in the department. We would like instead to maybe to create more outposts, more border outposts, and also more manpower in the respective police station and police outposts throughout the state. So by doing that, sir, because recently I think the honourable members must have seen how much investment we made as far as police department is concerned. we have already procured about 140 two-wheelers and then 80 boleros. These are the necessities transferred to the police station as well as to the police outpost. And we really wanted to make sure that policing system in the state improve as much as possible, sir.
Thank you. But Charles, please.
Sir, the Honorable Minister has given an extensive reply, but sir, what is the meaning of AD? I didn't.
NT
Full form of AD.
Anti-dacoity camps.
Good. We all know.